Throughout our area are still recovering after last night's heavy rainfall, but as Victor Jacobo tells us, officials are warning impacts from the storms continue.
In Des Plaines, the high water surrounding structures at a historical site where some people reside shows the impact of several days of heavy rain. Public works crews filled sandbags to provide for residents who need it as the Des Plaines River keeps at high levels, a concern for those further north along the river as well. After several days of heavy rainfall, this is a scene we are seeing throughout the region. This park here in Gurnee in Lake County, Illinois, completely overflowed and flooded from the Des Plaines River. That's leading to officials having to make road closures and closely monitor the continuing changes in the river levels.
We are getting close to cresting levels and we are in alert state. We've actually alerted our internal operations center personnel, put volunteers on standby.
Rebecca Kumar with the Lake County Emergency Management Agency tells me even though severe rain has stopped, their work continues, including staging assets throughout the county, preparing potential shelters, and offering resources for residents.
We provided over 20,000 sandbags out to municipalities along both the Fox and the Des Plaines River, and we continue to monitor the river gauges with our partners.
Libertyville, also along the Des Plaines River, is among communities also providing sandbags. Kumar urges people to seek out and monitor resources like with the Lake County Emergency Management Agency as the flooding concerns and its impacts continue.
We've staged resources all over the county and we are prepared and ready to go to answer the call for service and the needs of the community.
Along the Des Plaines River in Libertyville, Victor Jacobo, CBS News, Chicago.